Hi, it's Joe Andrews for Joss Moses Kitchen. Today I am preparing a fish masala powder. So don't waste time, let's go on to the video, Joss Moses Kitchen. To make this fish masala powder, we need 6 teaspoons of coriander, 2 teaspoons of peppercorns, 2 teaspoons of fennel, 1 teaspoon of cumin, 16 pieces of dry red chilies, a handful of curry leaves, 1 teaspoon of raw rice, 1 teaspoon of mustard, 2 pieces of cloves, a very small piece of cinnamon, 10 pieces of Kashmiri chili, 2 teaspoons of fenugreek. Hold on to a skillet on a very low heat. Dry roast it. Make sure you continuously stir it all the time. That's very important for a better result. When the chilies are dry and the curry leaves are dry like this, that means it's beautifully roasted. Remove from the heat. When it's cooled down, transfer to a blender. Add half teaspoon of turmeric. Blend it to a fine powder like this. You can store this powder for a longer time on a dry, airtight container. Enjoy this recipe with fish curry and fish fry. This recipe, have you ever tried? What about this one? Have you tried it? And what about this one? Have you never tried it? Then what about this one? Make sure you try it and let me know how it is.